वालेकुम, BUTV के साथ मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट सिब्का। इस वक्त बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी में प्राइम मिनिस्टर यूथ लैपटॉप स्कीम की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनी होने जा रही है। बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी से टोटल 4000 एप्लीकेंट्स थे, जिनमें से हर डिपार्टमेंट से हाईएस्ट अचीवर्स को सिलेक्ट किया गया है और लैपटॉप्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए जा रहे हैं। आइए देखते हैं।
I think we must thank the Government of Pakistan and Higher Education Commission for having institutionalized this, I would call it an incentive for students. Whenever something is done based on merit and a certain thing or a certain facility is given to a few people, that works two ways. One thing, that all those who get that facility or that whatever achievement or whatever is given to them, that they feel more motivated as compared to earlier, and they want to work more. But it should also work for others as well, so that they also excel in future and they also try and achieve a similar thing or even better. So my congratulations to the team here who have arranged all this, and my congratulations to all those who would get these laptops. But with getting a facility, you also get a responsibility that you'll use so and so thing honestly and in a way that it should be. I mean, in the past there have been instances that the students who were given laptops, those laptops were somehow not traceable later on, and the laptops were found where those should not have been. I'm not saying that, I'm not deliberately saying that a few students sold them off. So I hope you're not going to do that, and you will keep these laptops and use these for your studies and for the betterment of any work that you do.
ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है एंड इट्स एन इनकरेजमेंट। और चूँकि टेक्नोलॉजी का दौर है, AI का दौर है, और आगे जितने भी एजुकेशन से रेलिवेंट चीज़ें हैं, दे आर मोस्टली इंटरनेट रिलेटेड, सो दीज लैपटॉप्स वुड डेफिनेटली मेक अ डिफरेंस इन देयर लाइफ।
As your daughter also received a laptop today, how are you feeling? Please tell us.
It's a proud moment for me, obviously. She's my only daughter and I'm proud of her.
Basically, my main message to all the recipient is that to use this laptop sufficiently and workly. और ये भी मैं इनको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि क्योंकि आजकल डिजिटल का दौर है, डिजिटल ज़माना है, इसमें इन्होंने ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज भी इसके ऊपर कर सकते हैं। और सेकेंडली मैं इनको ये भी कहूँगा कि वो फ्रीलांसिंग्स को भी प्रमोट कर दें और इन लैपटॉप का अच्छे तरीके से यूज़ कर लें और अपनी स्टडीज़ के पर्पज़ के लिए भी यूज़ कर लें।
The best part that this time we are getting a very good quality of laptop, that is 12th generation, I think, and Lenovo. So I think that would really help our students in academic and especially in the research activities. And the best thing which I would like to add here, that this is purely on the merit base. The students who are academically outstanding and they have produced a good results, they are going to get this laptop. So that's the thing which really makes me happy, because that always I say to the students that hard work always pays off. Now this is the time that they are getting fruit of their hard work.
How do you think that this laptop would help you?
जो academically excel कर गए हैं, it's amazing for them if they want to do something productive. It's awesome for them. They can use these laptops. These are very nice laptops.
It is great that they're rewarding the students who have achieved something and got great marks. So that's nice, and it will help me immensely, and everybody who's got them, that they can do their projects and they have their personal now computer.
I feel really privileged to be receiving this laptop because I feel like once you're doing your hard work, it does pay off. And for the future, I'm very excited and very enthusiastic. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen next. It's a sort of acknowledgement for all the students to work hard in future, even though when they underestimate themselves, it's really good sort of motivation to them.
ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर की तरफ से लिया गया एक बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है और जिन बच्चों को आज लैपटॉप्स मिले हैं उनको चाहिए कि ये उसका पॉजिटिव इस्तेमाल करें ताकि ये उनकी स्टडीज़ में उनके लिए हेल्पफुल हो, और जिनको आज लैपटॉप्स नहीं मिले उनको चाहिए कि वो और ज़्यादा मेहनत करें ताकि अगली दफ़ा उनको भी लैपटॉप्स मिल जाएं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।